Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Carlos here, and I wanted to show off a few tips for how to do a low skin fade. There's several ways you can obviously do this. Now, one is better than the other, but for those who struggle with doing low fades for their clients, here's a simple trick that should help you out. So let's check this out. So the first thing I did was actually just add a half on the sides. So that means open your clipper and open the guard all the way to its widest setting and just put the line almost like where you would put it if you were gonna do like a mid-skin fade. So you don't want to raise the line up too high. And it's as simple as just watching what I'm doing on the video. So in the video, I'm just gonna interrupt from time to time to make sure you guys know some of the steps, but it's really self-explanatory. Just watch the video and you'll see what I'm talking about. So at this point I have a 3 guard and I'm just going up to meet where the top of the hair blends. So his hair was already pretty short, so it's pretty simple to make that connection between the long hair and the short hair on the sides. But it's simple as a 3 on the sides and then I'll work my way down from there. So 3, then I go to 2, 1.5, and then because I already have a half, I just blend in the 1.5 to the half on the side. So let's get to it. So at this point, I'm using a half on the side to blend in from the top to the bottom. And remember, we started with a half, so it's really simple to blend in at this point. The majority of the fade's already done, and this is where the low fade comes to fruition. You'll see how easy it is at this point. And what you'll see me do is once I blend in the sides from the half to the middle of the head right there, I'm simply going to give them a high blowout, and that gives the illusion of a low skin fade. And some of your clients really will appreciate this kind of fade where it just really blends from the bottom all the way to the top, and it gives a nice gradual blend. It stretches out the fade really well. So this is just one way you can do it. So let's just watch the rest of the haircut. Guys, by the way, thank you for tuning in. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. I got plenty more videos. I have another channel, but I'm going to be uploading all my barber's tutorials and videos on this channel. So you should be looking forward to a lot of great content. Probably be doing a podcast at times as well. So stay tuned, subscribe, and hope you enjoy the rest of this haircut.